Coexistence is, it's almost like it's a dance, because it's not just about people, simply restraining ourselves and minimizing our footprint. Often that's a big part of it, and that's necessary, but we often forget that these animals aren't just passive. What you do, what you say, what you think, they're paying attention to you and they're responding.
Coexistence is about honoring and respecting the wolves and everything that there is. In our language, there's a word that we use, and it's Nuu-chah-nulth. Nuu-chah-nulth means always be careful about what you do and what you say.
The biggest challenge they have is us as humans, and having to coexist with us again. And unfortunately, it's not a good scene right now. They're learning a way that's not right. We need to change that mindset that, we're going to live like we lived a long time ago. And we can do it. We don't have to go back in time. We can do it here.
I think this project is something people should pay attention to. There are going to be lessons learned from this project and the experience of people and wolves here that will benefit others, not just in Canada, but worldwide.
Wolves are incredibly smart animals. They're always working at coexistence, and it's probably us, in my opinion, that need to work a little bit harder just to do our part. The wolves have got it figured out. It's just us that need to make a few changes.